Find or read reviews that people are talking about AOOWHAO, WHAO 65-inch smartboard for classroom and office. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Comprehensive functionality. Smartboard combines 8 functions of projector, whiteboard, computer, camera, monitor, microphone, audio and advertisement machine and more. 1300-watt pixel camera and 8-array microphone make the picture and sound clearer, which is suitable for video conferencing and online classes. Projection function. AOOWHAO supports computer screencasting, 4K UHD screen display on the same screen, portable and efficient information sharing. Anti-glare tempered glass. Even in a bright light environment, the picture can still remain fine and bright. Dual System Interactive Whiteboard. AOOWHAO Smartboard built in Android OS and Windows OS. Android OS, Android 11.0, 4GB RAM plus 32GB ROM, Windows OS, 9th generation 9300H, OPS computer. 8GB RAM plus 256GB SSD and Windows 10 Intel i5 CPU. Smartboard touchscreen adopts leading infrared induction technology, 2mm high precision positioning, which can support 20 points touch writing. 6 millisecond response time ensures the stylus to touchscreen experience is natural and smooth. Open application ecosystem. The open ecosystem of digital whiteboard allows you to seamlessly integrate popular applications or software you already use in your workflow. The Smart Interactive Board supports Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, WebEx and other popular third-party video conferencing applications while sharing with remote participants. Multi-scenario application. AOOWHAO whiteboards can be connected to other electronic products through HDMI and other interfaces, which can be used for company meetings, home, classroom, or watching movies, playing games and so on. This product comes with a mobile stand, wall bracket, stylus, remote control, and manual. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.